Yo, what's up guys? How's it going? Joey here. In this video, we're gonna be talking about lighting. I went ahead and made another upgrade to my lighting setup. I purchased the ring light. So I have it right here. So I went ahead and purchased the complete set. So it comes with the ring light and it comes with the stand. You could also buy the ring light without the stand, but I chose to buy it with the stand. Also, I bought a diffuser for the ring light. We'll go ahead and go into more detail about diffusers later, but I highly recommend you get yourself a diffuser. All right, so that looks like that's the stand. So as you can see, the ring light comes with a carrying bag. That's cool. Now in this video, guys, I will be telling you guys about my current setup. You guys can't see it right now, obviously it's behind the camera, but I have this camera and I'll show you guys what we're working with in a bit. So this carrying case is actually padded from the inside, so that's cool. Extra protection for your ring light. And this is it. This is the 18-inch version. So right now I'm looking at the camera. This is gonna go like right there behind the camera, and it's gonna provide perfect circular light around the subject. Now these are just my first impressions. I've never owned the ring light, but in this video I'm gonna be telling you guys if it's worth it. So we have two options with these things right here. And what these do is they change the temperature of the light, just the color, cool and warm. I don't like warm, I like it to be cool. And these should just snap right on top. So I don't need these. We have our power cable. So we have a plug for the States and we also have a plug. I don't know what country this is for. Maybe it's for several different places. I wouldn't know. I need to do research on this. What is this? It's a Bluetooth remote shutter for iOS and Android. Oh, so I'm assuming you connect this thing to your phone and then you're able to control it with this, take pictures or start recording video. That's neat if you were using a phone. And well, if you combine this product, the ring light, with a phone, your phone would then be able to shoot pretty decent video because it's in good lighting. And then it even comes with a phone mount. So this thing's ready to go if you want to use it with your iPhone or your Android device. So it just opens right up and then you just put your phone in there. I will not be using that. I'll be using my camera, an instruction manual, and some info about the ring light. But yeah, guys, the reason I made this investment is because lighting is just very important. As far as video production, oh, I almost dropped that. What really helps take the quality of your videos to the next level is lighting. You could have the best camera in the world. This thing's hard to, This thing's hard to turn around. So I was reading some reviews that people were getting confused because the legs do come upside down. You just gotta pull them up and over and it does take a bit of strength. And now I can adjust the height level. So you could put these legs down or you could put them up to make the stand taller. I'm just gonna leave them like this to provide the most support, and you tighten it right here. And then if you loosen these things up, there's 3 of them. We have 3 stages of height. I'll just go ahead and extend it. Let's see how tall this thing goes. So right now I have it flat on the ground right there. I'm gonna tighten this up. So it's like at my neck level. I can make this even taller if I were to stand the legs straight up. So it would then be equal to my height. In case you guys are curious, I'm 5'11". So I know I went totally off topic. I was talking to you guys about the importance of light. What I was gonna say is you could have the most expensive camera, like you could have a $2,000 camera and then you could have an iPhone. But if your $2,000 camera is filming like in the worst light ever, like no light at all, and then your iPhone is filming, for example, with a ring light, the iPhone's gonna look better. Light is just very important. So maybe one day cameras will become so advanced that you can just film in pitch dark and then turn up your exposure and when you're editing and it'll look just fine. But we're not at that point yet, and that's why we use lights. I know it sounds a little ridiculous too, but hey, who knows where technology will go. And after I set this thing up, I'm pretty much gonna be done with my lighting setup for a while. Like the lighting setup I have right now, guys, it's pretty good, right? Wouldn't you say? You can see me. This ring light right here is the cherry on top of my lighting setup. So what this thing is right here is you put this on top and then you put the light on, and then you're able to bend the light in different positions. Yeah, it seems very secure. So to see the difference that the ring light makes, I'm gonna be using the Canon Mark II. Okay, it's on. So I'm gonna straighten this thing out. This is obviously too high. Let's lower this. Now to hook up power. All right, we're ready to go. That camera's recording. Oh wait, I almost forgot the diffuser, guys. All right, so I got the diffuser on there now. Let's turn it on. Also, there's a little dimming switch right here. That's the brightest. Pretty bright. I already like how it looks, but before we jump into things, I wanna show you guys my setup. I'm really excited about my new setup. I really love my new setup. I'll go over this quick, but yeah, there's my setup. You can see it. I just wanna talk about the lights. The lights I'm working with, I have 2 LED lights. I have one up there and one right here. That's how they face each other. And those give me this camera right here. I like how the light looks nice. This camera right here, Nice, I like how the light looks. So I'm pleased with these two lights. Like I said, this will serve as a cherry on top. Also, if I ever go somewhere, I don't want to have to take these two big things with me. A ring light can also serve as a portable lighting setup. It's really simple to set up, and then you just put your camera here. So the camera you're looking at right now, I'm gonna put this stand right there and put that camera right here. And I think it's gonna look pretty cool. So this is my point and shoot, and it looks really nice. It usually doesn't look this nice, guys. It's because the ring light. I will show you guys how it looks without the ring light. So the ring light doesn't only just light up your face, right? It's a circle that lights you up. So it provides a nice effect. It kind of creates kind of vignette around the edges. And in case you guys don't know what vignette is, it's pretty much when the corners of your video, the sides just darken up so you can focus on the subject. It brings out the subject more. So this camera and this camera, these are my two main cameras, A cam and B cam. They're both set up on manual settings. They're not on auto. So what does that mean? Well, I'll show you what it means. I'm gonna turn this light on. All right, you see how I got yellow? And that yellow light, oh, it's nasty, man. I really dislike the yellow light. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna turn off the light on the right, and I'm gonna turn off the light right here. And might as well turn this one off too. And that's why I don't like using my room light, guys. It's nasty. It's yellow. I don't like it at all. So if these cameras were not on manual and they were on auto, they would adjust automatically. The ISO, the aperture, and the shutter speed would all adjust automatically. That's what your guys' cell phones do. That's what this camera is doing right now because I have it set to auto. Why do I have it set to auto? Because I just want to show you guys how it adjusts. So that's with no ring light. Okay, so I'm now going to turn off this light completely. And now it's pitch dark in here. Oh wow. See how this camera adjusted? It's literally pitch dark, like, you know, you see A cam and B cam, it's pitch dark in here because those are on manual, but this one automatically adjusts. It's on auto, right? So what the camera did right now is it pretty much turned up the ISO like really high. What is the ISO setting of a camera? It's pretty much the sensor's sensitivity to light. So right now it's a lot more sensitive to just a little light. But when I turn up okay, it's really bright right now. I'm not gonna do anything. See, and the ISO automatically adjusted. But yeah, this right here is really bright for my liking too. So I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. So I'm pleased how it is right there. This thing still could go up a notch because I know it does look a little dark. Right there, I don't know, that's kind of too bright for me. It kind of hurts my eyes. Right there seems around fine for me. So this is what the camera displays on auto settings. But see guys, I just love manual settings so much more. But right now, this is what the camera's doing on auto. But it looks pretty good. So how would this look without a diffuser? So look at my skin, just look at my skin right now, okay? You guys see my skin? I'm gonna get up closer. I'm gonna get up really close. Now what these diffusers do is they soften the light so your skin doesn't look as harsh, it looks softer. It makes your skin look nicer. And that's why you put diffusers on your lights. You don't always want a diffuser with soft light. Like if you want to see more detail, you know, for it not to be as soft, the light to be more harsh, then you take this off. And you guys will see right now, okay? Boom. No? All right, the ISO kind of adjusted. Okay, maybe I should have left the settings on manual because if it keeps changing all around, then this is kind of a very bad test. You should be able to see more. It should be like a sharper image. Should be able to see more imperfections in my skin. Okay, so right now the diffuser's not on and it still looks nice even without a diffuser. I don't know, maybe you guys didn't see the difference, but if you guys go look at like some photography videos just in general, most of the time they're always using diffusers on their lights just to soften the skin, just so the subject could look nicer in the picture. Sometimes when you're shooting, for example, an old person you want to see in black and white, and you want to see all those details like all the wrinkles in their skin, you know? I'm sure you've seen pictures like that, then maybe they were shooting harsh light so it could bring out more of the detail. But I shoot in soft light and the majority of people want to shoot with soft light, soften your skin. Wow, but it really doesn't look bad without it, huh? It doesn't look bad without the diffuser. Another thing about the diffuser too is, well, it softens the light, right? It makes it less bright, so it's like, it doesn't hurt your eyes as much because this light's pointing directly at you guys. All right, and that's with the diffuser. Is there a difference? I hope there's a difference because then what I said is gonna sound false. But it's true, all right? Look up a photographer. Also, another benefit of using a light with whatever camera you're using, whether you're using point and shoot, this camera, or your iPhone. So the darker it is, the higher the camera's gonna push its ISO. The higher the ISO of the camera is, the more noise you're gonna get in your video, like those little dots, kind of grainy. And with that, your image starts to lose quality. You don't really want that unless you're kind of going for that style/look. So with lights, this will keep your ISO lower, producing less noise, producing a better image. For example, so A cam, B cam. I'm not gonna turn on these lights. I'm just gonna turn up the ISO on that camera and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now this camera right here, B cam, this is a 1080p camera. A cam is a 4K camera. So since this thing shoots in 4K and the resolution is higher, you can get away with high ISOs. For example, this camera's at 8000 ISO right now, right? If I were to put this camera at 8000 ISO, it would look horrible, way horrible than this 4K camera right here, because it's only shooting in 1080p. 8000 ISO. I'm sure you've seen this before when you're shooting with your iPhone at nighttime. I'm looking at my monitor right now and it's really grainy. That's what noise is, guys, because the ISO is high. Now I know I'm getting really off topic in this video talking about ISOs. This isn't an ISO video, it's a lighting video about the ring light right here. But I guess it all kind of relates, right? I just wanted to show you guys. So if you're looking for just a simple, compact, easy to set up lighting setup, you're an aspiring YouTuber or want to shoot some video projects and you want to improve your quality, pick up this ring light. It would be good to start with. If you're shooting yourself, right? Like just one subject, because if you're doing a video, like for example, where you want to see the whole room, maybe the ring light won't be the best option. Maybe you should just get 2 LED lights to light up the room. This ring light right here is just going to totally just complete my lighting setup, and I will hopefully be able to turn down the ISO on A cam, producing a better image. But yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I know this was a little more different. It wasn't PC related, but this is a tech channel. So maybe in the future, if you guys are interested, I'll make more videos in the area of video production. I am still learning a lot as I go, and I'm always striving to improve the production quality of my videos. Wait, how much did this thing even cost? That's like the most important thing. I have the info right here. Well, right now it's going for $160 on Amazon. I paid $135 for it actually. So prices are always fluctuating on Amazon. Right now it's $160. The diffuser cost me $15. Now they also sell just the light by itself. It won't come with the stand, and that's of course cheaper. But yeah guys, I'm really pleased with this product. I'd recommend it to anyone. This video was not sponsored. I bought this light on my own. It would have been cool if it was sponsored, right? And I got this light for free, but that wasn't the case. If you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I'll include the links to all the products, the diffuser, the light with the kit, and the light just by itself in the video description. Go ahead and check it out. Those are my Amazon affiliate links, so using those links to purchase stuff will help support the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Keep hitting me with those video ideas, guys. You guys got good video ideas. All right, peace out, guys.